Hello, my name is Ashley Lauro, and I am the director of the Writing Center. The Writing Center is located in the Ferrer Learning Commons, or the FLC, in the Academic Resources Suite. The center offers in-person and online tutorials to all students at no cost. We have peer tutors available to help you with any of your writing projects for any class. Whether you're working on a research paper for an English class, or writing content for a digital presentation for a business class, or any other type of writing, we're here to help. Tutors also assist with any stage of the writing process, so they can help with understanding the writing assignment, brainstorming, writing a thesis statement, organizing ideas, developing those ideas, finding and citing credible sources, improving grammar, and much more. During the appointment, a tutor will listen to your concerns and address those while reading and discussing your writing. To schedule an appointment and view center hours, resources, links to our social media pages, and much more, visit bridgewater.edu/writing center. We would love to help you with your writing and hope you visit us soon.